Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D. A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Red color, black color, green color, yellow color, pink color, blue color, violet color, sky blue, brown and orange color, sky blue color. A, pink color. B, C, D, E, F, G, brown color, H, yellow color, I, J, K, L, M, N, orange color, O, green color, P, Q, R, S, T, violet color, U, pink color, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.